Rhode Island security camera systems. If you're a home or a business owner in Rhode Island, it's important to protect your investment and property by installing a security camera system. Burglaries, theft, and vandalism can occur, and they can be costly for your bottom line. Installing a security camera system can help you deter crime and keep your business safe. In this video, we'll discuss some benefits of having a security camera system in place and why businesses in Rhode Island should invest in one. Business establishments are a prime target for criminals, and without a security camera system in place, you're at risk for losing money, property, or even worse, your life. A security camera system can provide you with the peace of mind knowing that your business is being monitored and protected around the clock. In the event of a break-in or theft, video footage from your security cameras can identify and apprehend the culprit. It may also help with investigations and insurance claims. Customers and employees also feel safer when businesses have security cameras in place. It can help reduce the occurrence of crime and create a more secure environment for everyone who visits your establishment. There are many reasons businesses in Rhode Island need a security camera system. Let's take a closer look at some of the most important ones. The presence of security cameras can help deter crime before it even happens. Criminals are less likely to target a business that has video surveillance in place, as the chances of getting caught are much higher. Besides preventing crime, security cameras can also help you capture footage of accidents or crimes that have already occurred. This footage can be used as evidence in court proceedings and insurance claims. Shoplifting and theft are two of the most common crimes committed against businesses. With a security camera system in place, you can catch these criminals in the act and help reduce the amount of stolen goods or cash. If you have a retail store or another type of business where customers are coming and going, it's important to keep an eye on them. Security cameras can help you do this without having to station an employee at the door. Video surveillance footage can also be used as evidence to prosecute shoplifters and thieves. Sometimes, it may even result in a longer jail sentence. Unfortunately, not all crimes are committed by outsiders. Sometimes, the people you trust the most are the ones who end up stealing from you. In some cases, employees may steal out of desperation or because they feel they are not being compensated fairly. A security camera system can help you monitor your employees and identify any suspicious behavior. This can help you catch thieves before they steal anything from your business. It also helps protect employers from false accusations by employees. Burglaries are one of the most common types of crime, and they can be very costly for businesses and homeowners. In addition to the physical damage that is done during a break-in, businesses also have to worry about the cost of replacing stolen goods or equipment. Security cameras can help deter burglars from targeting your home or business. They can also help you identify the culprits if a break-in occurs. Sometimes, video footage from security cameras has even helped police catch burglars before they had a chance to strike again. Vandalism is another common crime that's frustrating to deal with. It's costly to repair the damage that is done, and it often leaves homes and establishments feeling unsafe. Security cameras can help you deter vandals from targeting your property. If they know their actions are being monitored, they are less likely to cause any damage. In addition, security footage can help you identify the culprits if vandalism occurs. Besides helping you solve crimes that have already been committed, security footage can also be helpful to law enforcement in their efforts to prevent crime. Police officers often use video surveillance footage to identify criminal activity and target areas that are more likely to be affected by crime. While security cameras are most commonly used in businesses, they can also be a valuable asset for homeowners. A home security camera system can deter burglars and help you monitor your home, even when you're not there. Home security cameras are becoming more and more affordable, making them a great option for anyone who wants to increase the security of their home. But if you're considering getting a professional security camera system for your home, be sure to check out securityguard.com. If you're looking for a security camera system for your business or home in Rhode Island, look no further than securityguard.com. We offer a wide variety of security cameras and systems to fit any budget, such as CCTV installation, home monitoring, commercial monitoring. Don't wait until it's too late. Contact us today at 888-444-9628 to learn more about how we can help you secure your investments. You can also learn more about us and our world-class security solutions at www.securityguard.com.